Alright, so I'm on my way to a job now that has blood in the carpet, blood stains. I did drive out to quote this one. Normally I just do it based off photographs, but it was an elderly customer. She wasn't comfortable doing that. She didn't really know how. And I was actually very close to her place, passing between jobs the other day. So, I popped in for 15 minutes, gave her the rundown. She was thinking of replacing the carpets, so I've ended up convincing her that we can save the carpets. They're gonna look great when we're finished, and there's no need to spend all that money on replacement. So yeah, I'll show you how I do blood removal. Here's the blood stain, and this is a 3% hydrogen peroxide mix that I mixed up earlier. I'm just gonna give it a little scrub. So already the majority of the blood is gone just from hydrogen peroxide 3% and scrubbing with my gum getter. I am cleaning the rest of this room, so I'll show you how it looks at the end. Some more blood here. So I'll show you just on this spot what we're looking for. Straight away goes from red to slightly pink, and then with the second spray it's pretty much completely gone. This is how it's looking so far. It's all coming out. Alright, so I gave this a normal pre-spray and spot clean, and now I'll give it a scrub. Just as normal. And then after this, I'll extract. But as you can see, the blood's already disappeared. The customer's going to be very happy. Okay, and the final step, just give it a bit of an extra rinse. There we go, no more blood. The customer will be extremely happy with that. So, as you can see, no more blood. It's a very good result. The customer was planning on perhaps ripping up her carpet, but we've saved her that. She didn't think the blood could be removed, and there you go, we showed, so it's going to get us plenty of business. Okay, all packed up. The customer was absolutely thrilled with the results. She doesn't have to replace her carpets anymore, so it saved her a lot of money there. She was over the moon. She asked me for some business cards to give away to her friends and family, and she's already got me another job with her neighbour, and her neighbour usually uses another company. Apparently she's sick of them. She's looking for a new carpet cleaner, and now we get to be that carpet cleaner because we've done such a good job. And also I made sure customer service is always there. She's a lovely old lady. She made me a coffee, and I've got a customer for life. So just to give you a breakdown of what I'd done, I used straight away my 3% hydrogen peroxide mix on all the spots of blood, scrubbed it in, and I went back a few times to give it another scrub if I still seen some red in there. So I've cleaned the carpet as normal, pre-vacuum. I've used my protein spotter, which I mix 1 to 5, which is a product called Sensation. I sprayed that in the traffic areas, and I gave the blood a bit of attention with that too. And I had my pre-spray, which I mixed 1 to 15, and I gave that a mist all over the carpet, and then I used my orbital scrubber, gave it a good scrub, and then hot water extraction at the end. Right before I done the final extraction, I just went over with the H2O2 again, just to give those blood stains another blast, and I made sure to pay extra attention where I've used more of the spotter to give it a good rinse so we don't leave any residual soap in the carpet. And results were really good, and the customer was very happy.